If you're designing your dream home, you've come to the right place. At Chamberlain's, we've been producing custom-built roof trusses for over 45 years. We're here to help you turn your dream house into a reality by providing expert service and trusted advice. Our state-of-the-art facility, craftsmen and experienced designers will gladly assist you in transforming your building plan's custom-built roof trusses. We've produced and delivered thousands of trusses in accordance with national building regulations for big and small projects. Our roof truss design and manufacturing teams can be found at our Centurion, Strubens Valley and Waltloo stores. But the sky's not the limit. We also have our own specialized joinery division. Our joinery department is standing ready to help you bring your custom creations to life. From moldings, skirtings and balustrades to creating custom-made items such as tables, shelves and more, using top quality materials and the latest manufacturing techniques. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.